I work in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, our Son of God, and Spirit. Amen. Today, now smaller chicken. If you like telling us so chicken, that's not your business. Inside power, push it inside don't like put some flowers. This kind of flour. If you don't get normal flour, put that flour. Now that's not your business. Put garlic and ginger inside, okay. Next thing you walk up, put pepper of the core inside. The next seasoning, I lead you. But if you not get lead, put anything where you see that not your business. Pour it inside, shake it like baby, don't break it. Put some tie inside, tie. Put that inside. Put some chili powder. If you don't like pepper, leave it as per your bag. I like pepper. I put it inside. Then I can put more black pepper. Yeah, black of the pepper. Next thing you can put rose of the Mary. If you like put flour, they do your flour. Yeah, that's your business. Next thing you can put away your own lot. I'm not jiggy. Lord Instagram as well. You can put bay of the leaf inside. Next thing you put some socks. You see as a scratch. That techniques, you know, if you forget her. Musha. It don't mix, it why, it don't fair. Okay, see, I don't fair, wait. I will show that, say, fair. Look at her, fair. Let's see, you can just fill her, put her for inside fridge to marinate for as many years as you want. That's not your business. Inside skillet in Miss Pan. Just put the chicken upside down. No worry, go look, say they blind, say they bought. You know they bought. That now the secret of the oats. It is not body. It was very delicious. Okay. It was very delicious. You feel use lamp, you feel use anything, but now chicken the rain now as per cost of living. If you know the only person who knows the cost of living day now, na tiku. Okay. Let's see your couple some onions and some butter inside. You want to miss all that lovely juicy taste come out. You want me say you can put double of the cream. Upper department double of the cream. You can miss all that ingredient to remain for inside pan. You can put it inside. Miss. You can return the chicken. This now where everything go cut the join together in my only matrimony of food ever. When you put her, make sure say you bake her. You bake her, me say you put some of that juice on top. You can cover her. Then you can let her the boil. Even now, the way the tea said they hot, I get to take tissue to open the pan. I know get kitchen towel. I bet a color. Then if you know say pay you buy for me. See, look at her. Everything on there. For good measures, I can put spring onions on top. Look at the color of she. I can put extra pepper. As well, I know what this happened by ancestor. I can shake her so that everything go enter inside where. Look at her. It all done. You feel it her with spaghetti with rice. Anything you want it with, that now your business. Thanks so much for watching.